Have you ever wanted to make viral AI story shorts? Well, in this video, we'll be showing you how to make one by mainly using ChatGPT and CapCut. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a story for our shorts. Then the next thing that we are going to be doing is to ask it to write the prompts so that we can later use it to generate the image in Leonardo AI. Now after that you would simply copy and paste the prompts from ChatGPT to Leonardo AI to generate the image, and simply repeat it till you have generated all the images that is needed. Now for the next step, we are going to be needing a voice for the video. For this you can use almost any text-to-speech AI or even voice it yourself. And this is the result of the voice that we'll be using for this example.
Once upon a time in the heart of the city, there was a little penny with a big story to tell.
Okay, so now we can start to import all the images and arrange it to fit each part of the story by simply dragging and dropping it to the timeline and adjusting the scale and position if needed. Now after that is done, we are going to be adding a bit of animation to each picture by simply zooming in and out, as well as adjusting the position of the pictures, then animating it so that it is not so static. After that is done, now we are going to go ahead and adding a shake effect to all the images. Then we are going to be adding transitions to all of the pictures and also adjusting the timing of the transitions so that it would all fit. And finally, we are going to be adding captions by using the auto caption function in CapCut, then changing the template to make it fit more to the video. Okay, so that's how you can make a simple viral AI short story in CapCut. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here's the final result.
Once upon a time in the heart of the city, there was a little penny with a big story to tell. Our lucky penny traveled from hand to hand, bringing smiles and good fortune to everyone it touched. It helped a struggling artist sell their first painting, brought joy to a child who found it in the park, and even led to a chance encounter between two future lovebirds. No one knew where the penny came from, but its journey taught us that sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference. And so the lucky penny continues its journey, spreading joy and good fortune wherever it goes. Who knows where it will end up next?